Proteins are the organic nitrogenous compound made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Also phosphorus is also present, phosphorus and iron. And what makes it different from the carbohydrate and fat is the presence of the nitrogen. Approximately 16% of nitrogen is there in the protein, and the smallest unit of the protein is the amino acid. And the function of the protein in the body is basically building and repair function, and also it is in the form of antibody, hemoglobin, enzymes act as a cofactors for several enzymatic reaction, hormones. In the adverse situation, it may act as a source of energy also. And there are two type of protein: animal protein and the plant sources. Animal sources of the protein are the milk, meat, poultry products, fish, and the plant sources are the pulses, cereals. Pulses are good source of the protein, and the protein requirement varies as per the age of the individual. Infants as compared to the adults require more protein. For an average Indian reference adult, male and female, it's 1 gram per kilogram of the body weight per day required protein per day, and for the infant it is approximately 1.5 gram per kilogram of the body weight is required for the infant. So there is more requirement of the protein during the infancy, and age के according ये change हो जाता है. Usual requirement is 1 gram per kilogram of body weight per day for an adult. Now, proteins are made up of the smaller units called the amino acids. There are 20 amino acids exist in the human body, and the essential amino acids are 9 amino acids that must be supplied from the diet, cannot be synthesized in the body. Total 9 essential amino acids are there. These are the leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, threonine, phenylalanine, and valine, tryptophan, and histidine. These are the 9 essential amino acids. If any protein food that contains all these essential amino acid within it, then it is called the biologically complete protein. So egg protein is taken as the reference protein because it is supposed to contain all the essential amino acid present in it. If diet is deficient in one of these amino acids, those are essential, then it is called the incomplete protein. And vegetable protein sources are never complete. They are either deficient in one or more amino acids. Like dal, if we see an example, dal is deficient in methionine, and cereals in lysine and threonine. But what is the supplementary action of the proteins is, if we mix up dal with चावल, दाल और चावल को हम मिला के जो खिचड़ी बनाते हैं, तो दाल का जो मिथियोनिन की डेफिशिएंसी होती है, that is filled up with the राइस की मिथियोनिन से, and the राइस की जो सीरियल्स की लाइसिन एंड थ्रियोनिन की डेफिशिएंसी है, इट्स filled up with the lysine and threonine of the dal. So they act as a complement. They complement each other for their deficient amino acid. और इन deficient amino acid को हम limiting amino acid कह सकते हैं. जो दाल का limiting amino acid हुआ वो methionine हुआ, and the cereals का lysine and threonine हुआ. If we mix up both and make a khichdi, so they complement each other and make a complete protein. So khichdi is a complete protein जिसमें सारे essential amino acids हैं. So this is what is called the complementary या supplementary action of the proteins. As I said, animal protein is always superior to the vegetable protein because it does not fund up the limiting amino acid does not apply in the animal protein. And the egg, that's why egg and the milk are taken as the biologically complete protein, because it is said that all the essential amino acids are present in the egg. So we can take egg as this reference protein. Egg protein can be taken as the reference protein due to presence of all the essential amino acids. Among the pulses, the richest source of the protein is the soya bean. Soya bean, per 100 gram of the soya bean contain approximately 40 grams of the protein. So soya bean is the richest source of the protein. In Indian food, the pulses make the bulk of the food, rice and pulse. So pulse is good for protein, especially the soya bean. Now, deficiencies of the protein may result into the protein energy malnutrition in the children. That is Kwasarkar and marasmus. The clinical feature of both Kwasarkar and marasmus are different. Marasmic child is very lean and thin, usually less than 1 year of age group में इसका common occurrence है, और is irritable and alert child and बहुत eager to feed, खाने के लिए बहुत भूखा जैसे. एंड द क्वाशरकर चाइल्ड लो प्रोटीन. मेरास्मिक चाइल्ड में प्रोटीन एंड कैलोरी दोनों की डेफिशिएंसी है. मेनली प्रोटीन की डेफिशिएंसी. कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट आर इनफ इन द डाइट. इसमें एब्डोमेन जो है आपका बल्ज एब्डोमेन, baby looks chubby but there is a deficiency of the protein. Edema and the fatty liver is present in the kwashiorkor child, and the child is dull and is not that eager to feed. Protein की deficiency, either deficient intake or increased demand is of can be caused of the protein deficiency. Demand जैसे कि pregnancy में भी demand बढ़ती है. 15 कितनी बढ़ती है? 15 gram excess in excess of the routine daily requirement of the protein is required per day in the pregnant status, and 350 kilocalories of extra energy is required during pregnancy, and lactation में यही 550 calorie extra and plus 25 gram of the proteins is required in excess of the daily routine requirement of the protein in during the lactation is extra required.